Good morning. Welcome to Life with Erica. I'm Erica, and today we're going to be opening my October Boxycharm. This whole top of this desk is a mess. Alright, so here it is. It's Ipsy. It's $32 a month. You get 5 full-size items, and it's usually a value over 100 and at least over 100. I believe mine's supposed to be 160 this month. Alright, first thing in here is always the dark glam creator TikTok hasn't been told about yet, but Boxycharm Beauty Nightmares, I think is what it's supposed to be called. Resting Witch Face, Nightmare Before Glitzmas. Spellbinding looks, like just some very talented people inside of here. I might actually look at it this month. Alright, the first thing in here is Eloise Goddess Palette. Oh, that's pretty. I'm not going to touch it in case I decide I don't want to keep it. There's some changes coming. I don't want to touch the shades. But that is gorgeous. That blue one down there. I wonder if that's like a pressed glitter. I wonder if it'll tell you on the back here. No, it doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you if it's pressed glitter. For some reason, the way it looks, it kind of looks like it's a pressed glitter to me. I don't know if I could get it close enough to show you. But I don't want to touch it in case I decide not to keep it. So, although this is a gorgeous palette. It's a very gorgeous palette. Okay, the next thing in here is Clara's New York Advanced Serum Plus Vitamin E, Vitamin C. Brightening, minimizes enlarged pores, corrects uneven skin tone, which I need. This morning I'm wearing just a little bit of the Anastasia Stick Blush. And the I've been trying this out so I could talk to y'all about it. The Skin Tint by Sephora. And here it is. And these are usually in a darker bottle so that the sunlight doesn't degrade the formula. Wow, I can't believe I know that. So, which is good because I believe I was running out of my vitamin C stuff. What I'm using lately for during the day is Saturday Skin Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. I'm using the Skin Ink. This is my daily dose. I believe it's just to help the skin barrier. And I'm using the Elemis Matcha I Do. That's what I'm using during the day. And at night I'm using retinol and the Biossance little package I got for my birthday from Sephora. Alright, and the next thing we got in here is a Peach Blush, Liquid Blush by Shape Tape. Looks like that. I think it's supposed to be kind of like the e.l.f. ones and the Charlotte Tilbury ones. Alright, and then the last thing we have is a Ciate London Glass Glow Skin Tint. Dewy Skin in 40. I think it's going to be too dark. It's closed though, but I'll look into it. Because I don't know if that's the color, I think we're way off. And even if that's the color, I mean, maybe we can make it work if we mix it with something. But sometimes that messes up the thing. That was only 4 items. Well, I guess I'll be writing Boxycharm. Alright, there's supposed to be a 5th item. And I think the 5th item I actually picked, I think it was like the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. But it's not in here. Yeah, and all I did was pop the box open today, so. Alright, well, when that comes in, I'll do like a little reel or something of it and show you. But usually there's 5 items. But they're to me, I've never had a problem. If like I had a whole box nut come in one time, I believe, and I've always they've always fixed it, which is fine. So I'll write them in a little bit or talk to their glam bot, whatever it is you do. I don't know. It's been a while because literally haven't had problems that often. Yeah, and I am going to go ahead and do the giveaways. I've already reached out to the 2 winners. I will be doing some makeup stuff. I will try like do a get ready with me or something this week because more tests and more stuff has come up once again. So, you know, if you've been here a while, you know, every year I go and get my mammogram, and every year it seems I have to go back. They never say, hey, you did great, see you next year. Nope. They always say, hey, we saw something, you need to come in. But this year I talked to my doctor, and if they don't dismiss it on the 24th when I go in, I asked her if she could put in for a biopsy, and she said yes. So, because I don't want to wait another 6 months to find out if it grew or what it's doing or, you know, all the good stuff. But it's not on the same side. It's on the other side. So, you know, it is what it is. And I'm so tired. And, oh, I was going to ask y'all's opinions. If you've made it this far, I want your opinion. I am thinking about getting gray highlights and lowlights and like chunks of gray only in the front. And then leaving my hair the color it is. But taking and putting like highlights of gray strands through it. What do y'all think? I saw some pretty pictures of people that did that, where they had like the gray and then they had some other kind of like silver or something. I don't know what it was, but I'm thinking about doing that because I don't want to keep dyeing my hair, but I also don't want to keep trying to cover up something that's just gonna naturally come in anyways. And I know I look tired. Eric didn't sleep the other day. So anyways, I hope y'all had a wonderful day. I hope if you're in Florida, Tennessee, Georgia, any of those areas that you are doing well. Praying for you, and I'll see you in the next one.